after Solana recorded a high recently of up here at $218. It was swiftly rejected and pushed back towards the downside, but something very significant is happening right here that we have seen Solana take a big bounce from. Is Solana going to be putting in new all-time highs today? Let's find out. So what we can see, guys, is here we had a high the other day all the way back on the 22nd of October, and then we put in a higher high on the 25th. As well as that, we can see consecutive higher lows coming in as well, which is showing that we are looking for some bullish continuation. But when I mentioned something yesterday, which was regarding the Fibonacci retracement and how cryptos like to bounce between key levels before moving on to the upside, then you can see something very significant about what this area means for Solana. So this is looking at the 4-hour Solana chart, and you can see at each of these levels Solana takes moves. We did have a breakthrough at the weekend, but often, as I mentioned on my other video, we do have breakouts and we can sometimes fake out beyond them, but not having a close necessarily outside, which is here we had a bit of a fake out and we will swiftly push back down again. But notice how we have then found support at the 786, and from the 786, if we can maintain support, then we are going to be continuing to put in a higher low here, and then ultimately we will be putting in a higher high all the way up here. That will then take us through all-time highs, and hopefully if we can have a 4-hour candle close above previous all-time highs. Notice we did break it previously, but we were swiftly rejected down below. Then we are likely to continue or have some upwards continuation all the way up to our price target here, which continues to be all the way up at $271. I did mention to you on one thing I do want to draw your attention to though, guys, is if I look down at the RSI, I can see this happening. This is showing that each time the strength of the market is lower, okay? So less buyers are coming into the market and the market is getting weaker, or the Solana price is getting weaker. But as we look up, we can see that actually the Solana price has been increasing as a general sort of trend. So showing that the price is getting higher, but the price is also getting weaker. And what that usually spells out to us is that this is a bearish divergence. And what a bearish divergence means is that often we can see a bit of a reversal. If you look back previously, we had this happening around this area here, where you can see the RSI dropping and the price getting higher. And that was a big indicator for me that this was going to be a turnaround. So it is absolutely crucial for Solana that it is able to hold, this level above the $195. If we are rejected again here, then it is more than likely that we will push down to this level and we could potentially have a push to lower levels. Fibonacci tool is great for us, guys, because if we break this level, then we know that this would be our next kind of target to hold down at $179. And as it continues, and as coins break towards the upside, they will continue to target each layer. And if you look back through time, you can see just how accurately this happens each time, guys. Literally every time this is turning around, it's turning around between these two lines. Okay, so all I've done is taken a Fibonacci from the swing high down to this swing low, and you can see pretty much every point that it turns around is doing so on these crucial lines. Okay, so guys, hope you found that useful and interesting today. Make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.